Hello friends, welcome to Vidyascooking channel. This is Vidya Lakshmi. Today I'm going to be showing you a apple and rocket salad. This is one of my most favorite salad recipes. Whenever I am dining at some diner, if they have this salad, I'll definitely order and I'll eat this. This is very nice and tasty. I've added some feta cheese. Turned out so good. So all the ingredients required for this recipe is prepped and laid out. I've sliced and reserved some apple, rocket leaves, salad oil, feta cheese. I've also dry roasted and reserved walnuts and almonds for this recipe. For the apples, once it's sliced, you have to add few drops of lime juice and reserve it. So I've already prepped my rocket leaves, friends. What I've done is I have plucked all the rocket leaves from the harder stem and rinsed it twice in nice cold water. Then I spread the rocket leaves on a towel and I pat it dry. So the rocket leaves is nicely prepped. And I spread the rocket leaves on a serving plate, then arranged my apple slices on the rocket leaves, and I topped my apple slices with some feta cheese and roasted almonds and walnuts. All the ingredients used in this recipe, friends, along with a detailed blog post will be listed in the description box below this video, or you can click the iCard above this video which will direct you to my blog. In the blog I posted a detailed recipe. Also like me and follow me on Instagram, Facebook and Twitter, friends. All my social media handlings will be in the description box below this video. The same recipes are also posted in YouTube channel. YouTube channel link will also be in the description box below this video. Now you can see I've crumbled and added feta cheese. I was preparing a bunch of salads that day, so I was preparing just one dressing. I've added salad oil to a bowl. If you cannot find salad oil, you can use regular olive oil, lime juice, salt and pepper. That's it. Give it a good stir and use this as a dressing for your salads. Now I'm going to be garnishing my salad with the salad dressing, and I've served my apple, feta cheese and rocket leaf salad. This is an excellent summer salad. Do give this recipe a try and post your comments. If you enjoyed watching this video recipe, give me a thumbs up and subscribe to me for more recipes. I'll be seeing you soon with the next recipe video, friends. This is Vidya Lakshmi. Thank you so much for watching. Bye-bye.